Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry beans, easy method. Start by soaking 2 cups of dried beans for 4 hours, then drain and rinse them. Sauté 1 medium onion and 3 cloves garlic until translucent, add 1 tablespoon curry powder and 1 tsp cumin, cook 1 minute. Add soaked beans, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 can diced tomatoes, simmer 45 minutes until tender, season with salt, pepper, and fresh cilantro. Use layers of flavor, toast spices, sweet aromatics, and deglaze. For texture, mash some beans to thicken the sauce. Add coconut milk for creaminess or lemon juice for brightness near the end. Serve with rice, naan, or a crisp salad for contrast. Adjust heat with chili flakes or fresh chilies to taste, and store leftovers in the fridge for up to 4 days in an airtight container. Reheat gently to preserve texture and flavor. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Also check out the cool speaker I used today. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes kitchen timers and playlists so much easier. See the description for the product link and other deals. Enjoy! Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Quick swaps make weeknight dinners easy. Use canned beans to cut cook time, or pressure cook dried beans in 25 minutes. For a richer curry, finish with 2 tablespoon butter or ghee, or stir in 1/2 cup plain yogurt off heat. Make it vegan by skipping dairy and adding extra coconut milk. Garnish with cilantro, thinly sliced red onion, and a squeeze of lime for balanced acidity. Serve immediately for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.